Hey, what's up? It's your muscle building coach Lee Hayward here, and I'm getting ready to do a unique cardio workout going kayaking here. And myself and Trish getting set up to do this. We're at Manuel's River now, which is just like not even 5 minutes from where we live. And we're going to go and do some laps back and forth the river here in our kayaks, so getting some upper body cardio workout. And this is a nice change of pace, because normally
see if I can do a donut.
Alright, just got in. We were out kayaking for about an hour, just kind of doing laps back and forth the river here. And like I say, it's a killer workout. Really feel my traps and my shoulders and everything else working. But it's nice to be able to do some cardio and work some different muscle groups rather than always just doing the legs, like when you're walking, jogging, you know, cardio machines at the gym, be it the treadmill, the elliptical, or whatever. It's all lower body. So I really like to be able to get out now kayaking and get some upper body cardio as well. So it's a great change of pace, great bit of fun. And like I say, cardio doesn't have to be boring. You can make it fun as you want. So this is something that we've been doing now this summer, and like I say, I'm having a blast. So highly recommend it. Hey, why not? Go out, try, get yourself a kayak, give it a go. Take care.